Hey guys, it's me, Clarice. This is my first ever review in my Clarice Bevo, and I'm gonna review to you my tweety planner. My tweety planner is really cute, isn't it? And of course, this is not really mine. This is my niece planner, but she gave it to me, and here it is. She said that just delete those things. It says Sofia, Ysable, Santa Maria. So her check my niece Soph has a channel on YouTube too. So please check her channel. It's called Santa Maria 2. And here it is. So her address, it says for hashtag 45. So just hashtag 45 St. Anthony Street, Willard, Novaliches, Quezon City. And her mobile number, she don't have any mobile number, but in the email and school company, I'm the one that signed it. Email address 0224@yahoo.com, and school company company. And yeah, just wait. Mami! Huwag mo lalagyan. Sino naglagay? Pinaglagay ng coins to ni Hana. So sorry about that. That's like So here's the first page. Month January. She's the one that say that. Week 1, week 2. So we're gonna fill this up. So I'm just gonna get the pen. So be right back. So I already got the pen. Here it is. And here, week 1. So no, not. We're not gonna fill that up, but we're gonna go to notes. I'm gonna review to you what is in my notes. So my first in my notes is this. Marie, it says it's upside down because I like write in like upside down. So yeah. And the second is my friends are, of course, my friends. My friends are MJ, aka Julian, and Angeline, CJ, Jana, Angeline, Shami, and nope, not that. Angela is out. So this is my One Direction. Zayn, Jane, Liam, Harry and Liam, Harry Styles. So yeah, in here I got my first ever drawing. Is it cute or not? Please just say if it is cute. Here is my mom, me, and that's just drawing. Yeah, this is really hard for me because look at the eyes and look at the nose. Go and shade that. And that's the lips. I made it a bit cute. So this is the song that I already like making it. So this is like row says. You want to hear me sing and just read this? Okay. Here it is. Make it slow, but it's not typical. He already knows that my love is fire. He turns into stone, but his hands roam. I turn him to gold and turn him to gold and he got higher. So yeah, that's it. And just wait, I got this prize. Just wait.
The use of milk supplements must only be upon the advice of a health professional. Take Midnose Split End Rest. When it's rough, that's a sign that split ends and damaged hair. Drop Intense Repair nourishes hair to the tips. No more worries from split ends and damaged hair. Just beautiful hair from end to end. Done. The #1 in damaged hair. Kasama mo makdo. Yung smoky cheeseburger. 100% milky. There are cheese, seafood, rice onions, and special smoky sauce. Ken, may newest fruit na guyabano. Yes. No.
It's like that. There's Bebo. That's my channel. And yeah, I hope you like my review. And yeah, bye.